नमस्ते ऑल ऑफ यू। खुश रहो बेटियाँ। आई JVN अमित कुमार शर्मा, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मैथोलॉजी, subject curriculum and school, and today we are going to discussion the topic of inequality in education standards. Okay, then relationship between performance standard and curriculum. At first, educational standards are the learning goals for what students should know and be able to do at each grade level. They are expectations. A curriculum is the detailed plan used to teach students the learning goals embodied in standards. Then, standard important in educations. Standard ensures better accountability, holding teachers and schools responsible for what goes on in the classroom. The practice of aligning learning to standards also helps ensure that a higher level of learning is attained, guides teachers in the process of assessment, and helps keep them on track. Cause equality in educations. Unequal education's outcome are attributed to several variables including family of origin, gender and social class, achievements, earning, health status and politically participation also contribute to educational inequality with the United States and the other countries. Then, purpose standard educations. Purpose of standard based educations. A charter school principal asks teachers to determine the standard and skill in which their students need in depth and rigorous learning at their grade level. Once the teachers aligned the grade level standards, they set out the redesign their curriculum. That's it. Thank you all of you. नेक्स्ट सेशन आपका जो होगा नेशनल गोल एंड प्रायोरिटीज़.